happy Tuesday. I hope you guys all had a great long weekend. Happy 4th. So fun. Sorry, my screen kept going dark. Here we are. Hello. Yay, good morning. So I'm Sam if you guys are new here, and we are at Lit's office HQ, and basically what I'm going to do is show you the items that are dropping in stores today. We have 2 drops on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and if you're watching, you get the sneak peek of what's happening before everybody else. So Ava, hello. I love seeing like reoccurring faces and people in here. Hello, good morning, Julia. Okay, cool. So today's vibe on this rack is very like kind of like safari chic. We got some cool patterns. I'm going to show you a lot of cool prints. So kind of boho too. Good morning. All right, so we'll get started. I will be holding up the pieces and kind of telling you a little bit about them, but Styled by Lit is going to be posting the name of the items and the prices so you can kind of keep up there. Oh, thank you. Like my dress. So we actually sold this a couple months ago. It's from Mumu. I love it. I don't think we have any right now, but we do get some fun pieces from them. I feel like this is very on point though for like the vibe today. You can see there's a few more animal prints happening. So, all right, let's get started. Good morning. So right here, this is so cute. So it's like a very pale, like tan sandy color, and it has stars on it. Almost wish this was in stores for the weekend. It was online, so if you found it online, you probably could have bought it, snatched it, but it is a little romper. How cute is this? It's a little romper, very flowy. It will be very flattering too, because you can wear a bra with this. It's super comfortable. It does cinch at your waist, and it's just very flowy, so it kind of gives you that nice, like, you don't really know what my body type kind of shape is, but it's still like it hits you in all the right places. So I'll show you this up close, and these aren't like patches. These are actually like embroidered on, so it's really, really pretty. Love this. All right, next. I'm obsessed with this. So this is a deep V jumpsuit. Like rompers and jumpsuits, they just are the easiest thing to put on. It looks like you took a long time to get ready. It looks like you have your life together, but it was just something super simple and easy to put on. This one you can see has like a little like wood circle right here and right here as well. Really, really cute. It is a tie neck, zip back, and just a super flared leg. And I believe this has pockets too. Do I see pockets? But it is double lined there as well, so it's not super see-through. This is like a light tan, like linen color. But I feel like this, for like one of those like wine safaris, like this is the vibe. This is really cute, and just really like easy breezy, I call it. Like just throw it on and you're not gonna sweat. Especially as we get into like late summer. You don't want super, super heavy things. This dress is super cute. It's like almost like a sage green color. I mentioned in the last live that we're kind of getting out of like the pop of color, and we're getting into the more like neutral, like faded tones. I call it like late summer color palette. So this is, I feel like, part of that as well. You can definitely wear this like into September too, with like little boots and a jean jacket. But this is really cute. It has like the ruching on both sides, and you can adjust it too with the strings. So I see some hearts as well. So cute. All right, up next, really cool top from Free People. We got this in another color recently. So this is the almost like a eucalyptus-y sage green. It's part of their like recyclable materials. It's really cool. That has the like reverse stitching on it. It's made to kind of look like it was, you know, recycled and everything too, which is just really cool. I love what they do with this whole mission. All right, we're moving along here. All right, these are also from Free People. Nice, fun. Another like almost like a linen jogger. It's like a cargo jogger. So this has an adjustable waistband. You can go high-waisted. You can also put them like Bella Hadid. She wears hers like very low, and then wears like a crop top or wears a tank top. So however you want to wear it, if you want to be like 90s baby and wear them low, you can wear them high. Just adjust the waistband. Has pockets. Just like super easy. Just super cool too. I feel like this with sneakers, this with heels, you could like dress it up or dress it down. All right. Up next. Isn't this kind of like chic, like safari vibes? Like going on vacation, going to the wine safaris. I don't know. I feel like I need to take a trip. And then these shorts are really cute. These are from Show My Your Mumu as well. So it's the same brand as what I'm wearing. Little leopard high-waisted, almost like paper bag shorts, but it doesn't have like a tie right here, but they do go high. It's a nice elastic. They do have pockets and they're just super, super soft. So these are super cute. I think I would wear this with like a white bodysuit or even like maybe black too, or even maybe a pop of color. I don't know. I feel like animal prints are neutrals. You can do a lot with them. Up next, this tank is super cool. We've had this in a couple different like color variations. This one is a mesh material and it has the sweetest butterflies. For our street style girls, like you are gonna be obsessed with this. This is some like high-waisted, like straight jeans, mom jeans, like your little Nike Air Force Ones. I feel like this is such a vibe. It does have like the black reverse stitching and it's just super comfy. This, I feel like it is see-through. So either you can wear the bra underneath it or you can wear something underneath it for like on purpose, or you can even just do like little nipple covers if you wanted to. Like we have little fabric ones that you could throw on under there, or you could do nothing. So really cute. All right. Next we have super cute little skirt. Has a little, we got this silhouette recently in another pattern, but it has just like the simplest little slit right here. So even though it is a very basic shape, you kind of get that little like peekaboo on your leg, which I just think is, it makes it more playful and more fun. This is like a slate blue grayish color with blue flowers. I know, aren't the butterflies so cute? The cargo, they are not like a super stretchy material, but the waistband is adjustable, so they feel really, really comfortable. All right, up next, this is so cute too. I love color blocking. Another way to just like elevate your outfit is to just color block, and this is actually doing it for you. So instead of wearing like an orange shirt and pink pants, we have both colors in one piece here. So this is like a light periwinkle blue, like a nice mint green. It's technically called a cardigan, but I feel like I'm not gonna wear it like open. I'm gonna wear it as a shirt, which is really cool. So the same kind of girl that likes the butterfly shirt, I feel like you might like this as well with the same vibe. Like you could do the like low bun, you can do the banana clip with your jeans, your white sneakers. Super cute. All right, up next we have some more Show Me Your Mumu. This top is so like darling. I love this. So it's kind of like that boho-y, psychedelic-y print. It's like oranges and blues and greens, and it does have smocking on the back, so super comfortable and adjustable on your back. And then it does have a little bit of funneling in the front here, so you can adjust the ruching on your chest area. And sometimes with these tops too, if you size down or if you feel like you're, it's like tight enough on your chest, you can wear these bubble sleeves off the shoulder, which is a very like nice and romantic look too, I feel like show off those collarbones. This is this little sleeve detail. This is just so cute. And then we also got it in a dress as well. So same pattern, just in a dress. I love this too. This, I feel like this color palette, I'm telling you guys, it's like late summer color palette. So like sunset, golden hour. Imagine this with like cowboy boots too. So cute. Love this. Very light and easy breezy. It does have a lining underneath too, so it's not super see-through. I'll show you that pattern up close. Look. They are in stores today, so they're on their way right now. Portsmouth though, you'll probably get them tomorrow, but in the Boston stores, you'll get them by like 11, so. All right. Up next, we have this dress is super cute. You might recognize this pattern from, we had it in a skirt version. We had another dress in this pattern, but I'll show you up close. It's our pink lemonade, like acidy flower design. So this one's a very nice like cowl neck. Cowl necks are very flattering because they just kind of like rest on your chest and give you this nice like romantic shape. And then it has like this long string, so you can either do it, tie it like around your neck with a bow, you can tie it and twist it down, you can tie it and twist it around your waist. It's long enough that you can do a couple different things with this. So for those of you that loved the dress and the skirt, here's another one. I see some hearts. Hello, I think my sister's in here. Hello, Haley. Good morning, everybody. I'm surprised there's so many people on here on Tuesday after a holiday weekend. I'm happy though. This dress is super cute. I do want to get someone in this because obviously sometimes things on hangers don't like look as cute as they are on a person, but this whole thing is like smocked, which is that super stretchy material, which is so comfortable and also just hugs you in all the right places. So this dress is gonna look good on a lot of different body types, and it does have a little keyhole right here, and it has a nice little tie right here, and the straps are adjustable as well. This is so cute. I love red. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. So many hearts. All right, up next. I feel like these just keep coming and coming, but you guys keep selling them out. But another bandana top. This one is like reds and oranges, has adjustable straps. It's almost like the same shape as that star one that we got last week. It was like that navy one with the stars on it, same kind of design. Super cute. I think I see over there too. Remember last week I showed you guys a blue and a red one that was strapless, and had like it had like the built-in bra, and then you can just tie it in the back. I think I see over there like the gold version I was talking about, so probably show you guys that on Thursday, but this is the one that we just got in, and it is absolutely stunning. And of course too, like if you wanted to just tuck these in and just tie it around without the straps, you can do that as well. Okay, perfect. So this is Free People as well. These, actually I have two here. They're pretty much the same design here, different colors. We have this one in like a turquoise blue with gold and silver and orange details. And then we have this one, it's like nude and maroon and gold and navy, super stunning. So this is, I feel like, how I picture it is on our like 30s and 40s crowd who love to just be a little bit more like luxe. You can try this over your bathing suit if you wanted to, but also I feel like over a nice dress at night, pair it with your like gold bangles and your gold jewelry, your little heels. You can style this so many different ways, even over like nice trousers. So I'll show you. So when you put it on, you can tie it in the front. You can also tie it to cinch your waist as well. And it's just like it's like a mini kimono, just really luxe and really beautiful. I feel like for a nice dinner, like after a day out on the boardwalk or out in the sun, you want to go to dinner, just throw this on and it really just kind of elevates your whole outfit, especially if it's like a little black dress, something simple underneath. But look at these sleeves too. They're just so stunning. Love this. Love that boho-y vibe. Whew, that's what I have for you guys. So I hope you guys loved that. That was super fun. Hi, everybody. I'm glad there were so many people on here Tuesday morning. Hope you had a great weekend. All of these items are going to be in stores, in our Boston stores today by the time you get there. They will be online too if they are not already. And we'll see you guys so soon. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.